Most Python beginners trip over this distinction and end up with mysterious bugs where changing one object somehow affects all of them. Let's clear this up once and for all. Class attributes are defined directly in the class body, outside any methods. Instance attributes are defined inside methods, usually in the init method, using the self keyword. The placement matters. Here's the key difference. Class attributes are shared across all instances of the class. Think of them as living on the class itself. When you create 3 dog objects, they all point to the same species attribute. If you change dog.species, every single instance sees that change immediately. Instance attributes are unique to each object. Each dog has its own name stored in self.name. When you create Buddy and Max, they each get their own separate name attribute. Changing Buddy's name doesn't affect Max at all. They're completely independent. Here's where it gets tricky. If you modify a class attribute through the class itself, all instances see the change. But if you modify it through an instance, you're actually creating a new instance attribute that shadows the class one. This is the source of many subtle bugs. Remember, class attributes live on the class and are shared by all instances, while instance attributes are defined with self and unique to each object. Master this, and you'll avoid a whole category of confusing bugs. Practice with Interview Mentor to nail your Python interviews. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.